Dela Marie Villaflor, I am going to present the issues and the corresponding solutions in the field of agriculture.
Agriculture plays a significant role in the Philippine economy. Today, I will be presenting about the biggest problem facing by the Filipino farmers. Goal to prevent and to minimize the potential hazards in the field of agriculture. The occupational health and safety issues are chemical hazards including pesticides and herbicides. It can cause injuries such as burns, respiratory illness, and poisoning. Heights, fall from rooftops, ladders, and windmills are major sources of injury. Electricity. Dangers include faulty switches, cords, and machinery. Weather. Hazards include sunburn, heat stroke, dehydration, and hypothermia. Here are the corresponding solutions to reduce the hazards. Education and training. Workers should receive the training on the potential hazards of chemical exposure and how to prevent it. This training should cover safe handling, use, storage, and disposal of chemicals as well as the symptoms of chemicals exposure and how to respond in case of emergency. Personal protective equipment or PPE. Workers should be provided with PPE like gloves, goggles, and respirators to protect against chemicals exposure. The PPE should be properly fitted and maintained. Here's my action plan to reduce hazards in the field of agriculture. Include education and proper training for workers, the use of personal protective equipment, proper handling and storage of chemicals, and regular equipment maintenance and inspection. And also know the first aid procedure.
I am Antoinette Baliares, second to present. There are several issues related to transportation in the service sector. Traffic congestion. The Philippines has a major problem with traffic congestion, particularly in major cities like Manila, Cebu, and Davao. This leads to long commute times and increased travel expenses for workers and customers, affecting the productivity and efficiency of the service sector. Poor road quality. A large portion of the roads in the Philippines are in poor condition, leading to slow and unreliable transport of goods and services. Lack of public transportation. There is a shortage of efficient and affordable public transportation options in the Philippines, which can be a barrier to accessing employment opportunities and accessing services. Here are some solutions to resolve transportation issues in the service sector. Improving infrastructure. Investing in upgrading and expanding transportation infrastructure such as roads, bridges, and the public transportation system can help reduce congestion and make it easier to people to get around. Improving regulation and enforcement. Stricter regulation and enforcement of transportation law can help ensure that transport providers operate safely. Licensing and requirements for drivers and vehicles, as well as increased enforcement of traffic law and regulations. Improving traffic management. The use of smart traffic systems and advanced technologies can help improve traffic management, optimizing traffic flow, and reducing congestion. Here's an action plan for addressing transportation issues in the service sector. Number 1. Development of additional road capacity. Number 2. Traffic management measures. Number 3. Effective use of bus services. Number 4. Parking restrictions. Number 5. Promoting the bicycle. Number 6. Encouraging walking. Number 7. Promoting public transportation.